I don't know what you're waiting for. You guys, these wigs from this Outre Melted Hairline series are the bomb.com. Alright y'all, so y'all already know what time it is when I have the wig cap on. We are getting straight into this wig review today. I'm going to be reviewing the Outre Melted Hairline Wig Kamalia, and I did pick her up in a natural color. I'm super duper excited because, you guys, I just wanted me some long hair, don't care. So I grabbed Miss Kamalia. She is a new release. She did come out about a couple of weeks ago. And as always, do not forget to check out the description box down below because I will have a link to Miss Kamalia for you guys to purchase her yourself and check her out. And as always, before we jump any further into the video, do not forget to go ahead, stop what you're doing, and hit that subscribe button, as well as tap that bell so that way you can be notified when new wig tutorials and reviews like this are uploaded to my channel. We're just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and take Miss Kamalia out of the box. And like I said, I did pick her up in a natural color. I chose to get 1B this time, and it has been a little minute since I've done some natural hair colors. Y'all know I love my colors, so we're switching it up today with the 1B. And if you guys have not seen any of the other reviews of the Outre Melted Hairline series, I don't know what you're waiting for. You guys, these wigs from this Outre Melted Hairline series are the bomb.com. They're super beginner friendly, and they're just easy to just throw on and walk out the door. Even if you don't do all of the glue-ins, freeze spray, and all that stuff like that, you can definitely apply these wigs in like 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the stock card off and just throw her on real quick, see what she's given, what she's working with, and then we're gonna get into it. But looking at her straight out the packaging, like, you guys, this luster is amazing. It's not super shiny, but it's not dull either. So yeah, I'm already loving what I'm seeing so far, but I'm not gonna say too much. Let's go ahead and throw Miss Kamalia on and just see what she is working with. Alright y'all, so before I pop Miss Kamalia on, I just want to go ahead and get into the construction of the wig. She is a lace frontal, so we do have lace from one ear to the other, and she does have one lace part. This one does look like it is already in a side part, but I am going to try to shift the wig and see if we can wear it in a middle part as well. But she does have one curved side part. She also has 2 combs that are in the top by the nape. She also does have 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the nape section, and she also has adjustable straps as well. And y'all already know my favorite part about these wigs in this series is the elastic band, so you definitely can make this wig glueless. You do not have to apply any products, honestly, if you just use the elastic band and the straps and the combs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop her on real quick before we cut the lace off. Y'all, I forgot to put the band in the back. Hold up. We gonna try this again. Alright, so let me put the band on first. There we go. Y'all, help a sister out on this Monday morning. Girl, who is you? Who are you? Okay. Talk to me nice or don't talk to me at all. Period. Period. Okay. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna do a quick little 360 so y'all can see where she's falling at on me. I am about 5 feet, 5'1", so she is kind of falling. Let me zoom out so I zoomed in. I need to zoom out. And you guys, I'm gonna try to get a better view for you guys at the end of the video, but like I said, I am about 5'1", and she is falling like right mid back, way below the bra line. She's almost at the bottom of my back, honestly. The longest piece is almost at the bottom of my back. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is cut my lace off for you guys. But I just want to give you guys a close-up of the hairline before I go in with any products. As y'all can see, it's very transparent. You can see my wig cap underneath already, and then the front of my face. And they already did pre-pluck this hairline as well, so as y'all can see, there is a nice transition to a less dense to a more dense hairline. And we also have some baby hairs already on this wig as well. I'm excited, y'all. I haven't had long black curly hair in a minute. Like, I'm excited. I'm excited about running your own race at your own pace, okay? I know that life is a marathon. It's not just one race, but you guys, I was working out today, and I'm trying to incorporate more cardio into my routine. So I went to the tracks and I did a mile, like a mile and a half or a mile and some change today. And I wanted to run, well, do my speed of a run the entire time, but my body just was not ready for that. Like, my body was not ready for that whatsoever, like, at all. Not ready for that. So what I decided to do instead was walk one lap, like speed walk one lap, and then run the opposite lap. And that's basically kind of like doing HIIT interval training, high intensity training as well. So it worked out pretty good, but just the thought came to my mind when I was running those laps that I was running. It was just like, you gotta run your own race at your own pace. You can't, you know, look over here in this lane, look over here in that lane, and, you know, trying to go at their pace. And it's like I said, yeah, life is a marathon, but like each part of your life has its own race. So embarking on this new entrepreneurial journey, even with my YouTube channel, even with just working out in general, finances, like all of those different areas in your life, they're different races. They require different training, you know, different everything. So that thought just popped into my mind, like, you guys, we got to be out here and we got to run our own race at our own pace. We can't get caught up with social media or just advice or just listening to other people and just get so caught up in those things that we lose sight of our pace with the goals that we have set for ourselves and where we're trying to get to, and the things that we know that we can do at our own, you know, level and everything like that. Now, don't get me wrong, it doesn't mean that you don't go out and seek advice, seek additional training, whatever that is. You still do that, but still don't beat yourself up if you're not running a mile in 5 minutes when you know right now you can only do it in 15. So just take that, you guys, take that. That's my quick little 5-minute message for the day. I just want you guys to remember to run your race at your own pace. you guys, so I just have to throw in a quick little 1 week update of wearing the Outre melted Kamalia wig. Like I said, I have been wearing her for a full week straight to work. I slept in her. As you all see, I had the flexi rods from sleeping in her at night. I've worked out in her. I've done a lot with her, so I definitely put this wig through the ringer to see what she can really do. So this is just, you know, a part 2 to this video, really giving you guys a full overview of the Outre melted hairline wig Kamalia before you actually decide to go and make your purchase. As y'all can see, I did cut her a little bit. I just took a scrunchie and just cut off the end of the ponytail to kind of shorten her up a bit. And the reason why I did that is because, you guys, like, I just got to keep it real with y'all. She does tangle and she does shed a lot. So as you all can see, I did switch her to a middle part. I do kind of prefer the middle part over the side part. It kind of helps me blend the lace in a little bit better. If you don't want to like glue the wig down, I would suggest putting it in a middle part like this, because the lace blends a little bit better than having to put it to the side. So I don't even have her glued down right now. Just got her simply on my head, ready to go walk out the door. She does still hold a pretty nice curl. You do have to keep a paddle brush or a wide tooth comb on you at all times while wearing this unit, just because, like I said, she does tangle, she does shed. As you all can see, I'm catching a little bit of snags right now. She is slightly a little heavy. She does have a lot of hair in her. She's very, very full. So if you're someone that is not looking to have something with a lot of hair, I definitely would not grab her. But if you do want lots of volume and you want to be extra, then definitely pick up this wig. I really have enjoyed her, but like I said, you guys, she really did start tangling up in the nape area and shedding after about a couple of days of wearing her for an entire week. So yeah, that's basically my thoughts about her. Would I suggest going to actually purchase her? Yes, if you are looking for something temporary, if you're not looking for a long-term piece to your wig collection, I definitely would suggest her. She is full, she is true to length, she does have a beautiful texture, but yeah, so my overall rating for this wig would be a 7 out of 10, and I give her a 7 out of 10, like I said, because of that shedding and that tangling. But I just gotta be honest with you guys, because that's what I'm here for, to help you all make these informed purchases when it comes to getting these wigs. But yeah, she's still a beautiful unit. I really did enjoy her, enjoy wearing her, loved her. I did get a lot of compliments while wearing her. People that didn't know me thought that this was my real hair. So, I mean, if they think this is growing from the scalp, I mean, what can you do? But just get it. Yeah, but the hairline is phenomenal. The texture is phenomenal. The luster is phenomenal. I mean, this wig is making me feel like a phenomenal woman, okay? Most importantly, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, learned something new, and definitely are ready to go grab Miss Camilla. As always, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below, and share this video with your friends, so that way we all can be fabulous together. And you already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin', and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.